everybody, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle and well, I was going to say welcome back to my Russian spiral series. So last week we did this one. I showed you how to do this one, so there's already a video up on this one, my most popular Russian spiral that sells the most, and there's also a video to show you how to put the clasp on. So of course I'll link it. Okay, so the next two videos are right here. We're gonna go ahead and start with this one, this colorway. Okay, this colorway is using 3 beads per round. Okay, and that's how you get this look. Of course, I'm using a totally different beads, so you can see this one better on camera. And these are all precocious crystals here. Okay, so what I'm about to show you is going to get you this look. Okay, and if you don't know how to do the Russian spiral, of course I'm going to show you right now, but I'm not going to slow down to show you that because these videos are taking a little bit too long. There is an original video on my channel to show you how to do that. Okay, so and this is the thread I use. I always use this when I work with Bicones, my 20 mil Wildfire. I don't have any problem with it fraying my thread or cutting the thread. I've never had that issue, so I continue to use the 20 mil because it holds the spiral together nice and firm. If you use something thinner, it's going to be kind of loosey-goosey, so to speak. So that's what I use. 4 mil Bicones, 11/0 silver line C beads, and let me get my magnifying glasses on here, and we are going to get started. Now I don't have any in my whatever I'm working on here because it will make what I'm actually doing blurry. So my camera likes to focus on the background instead of what I'm actually doing. So this is 3 beads per round. This is how we do this. We're going to load up with 3 11/0s, 1 bicone, 3 11/0s, 1 bicone, 3 11/0s, and 1 bicone. So this is what your Russian spiral will look like. This is the only time you use this round, is the first round. Okay, it's the only time you do this. So we take it all the way down. Oops, come on. Now, if you want to tie that in a knot right there, go ahead. But I kind of have issues doing that because my hands don't work that well anymore. So I'm going to just go ahead and do what's easier for me, which is going back through all of the beads on here. So I'm going to do that. I just keep checking to make sure I'm in frame. Okay. Come on. My hands are not really warmed up yet. So, oops, there we go. And I'm just going to go right through, back through this 1 C bead. Come on. Come on, you gotta be kidding. There we go. Okay. So, this is where we are. This is what it should look like right now. Okay, so that's our first color in making this bracelet here. Okay, so here's going to be our next round. Different color. And as you can see in here, I just use, there's no special colorway. I just, picked up whatever color I wanted to use in the next color and use it. So this is a good bracelet right here to use up all your leftover beads that you have. This is a good one, and it'll match anything you wear. So I'm going with, got a green one here. So going forward, this is what you'll be doing for the entire length of this bracelet. 1 bicone and 3 11-0s until all the way till you're finished. This is it. Okay, and then where we're going to go here is we're coming out of here. You're always going to go into the next 11-0 after the bicone. Always the next 11-0 after the bicone. Okay, pull it through. And you can see it wants to sit to the side, just push it up. There you go. Pull nice and taut. There you go. We're going to continue that. 1 bicone, 3 11-0s. We're going to go into that next 11-0 right here after that bicone. Push it up. Get it up there. It needs to form a cup, kind of. See that? See how it's laying? There we go. Okay. So we're coming out of here, and we're going to go into here. Come on. Okay, push it up. Okay, you know, the first few rows is always difficult because you got to keep it together. So from here, we're coming out of here. The only place we can go is we got to step up. We're going to step up to this through this green bicone, and then next 11-0. Okay, and this is what you do to make this entire bracelet. We're going to do a different color. We're going to use orange, 1 4mm, 3 11-0s. Okay, here's our next bicone. Here's our next 11-0. Again. Coming out of here, going right up here. There we go. Okay, and then you step up. Each time you finish a round, you step up. And a round is actually 3. That's why you'll be stepping up after each third bicone there. So this is it. You're forming your bracelet. You can see. So that's how you make this bracelet. I'm not going to finish a whole one because I've done that on my original Russian spiral tutorial. I just want to show you what to do to get this look. Since I get a ton of emails and everything, I can just direct them here. So this bracelet is 3 of each color per round. And as I said, this is a great bracelet to like get, you know, your bead stash out, you know, what you have left over from other projects, and just do 3 of each color. You can even do, you know, 1 of each color. There's no wrong way to do it. You really can't mess this up, you know. So just want to show you because everyone asks. So that's how we do this. This is the second bracelet in our series of 3. Okay, so last week I showed you how to do this one. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. If you like my channel, please subscribe, especially if you're new here. And if you give it a thumbs up, that really kind of helps my channel out a whole lot. I would appreciate that. And I will see you in the next series of these bracelets. And the next one is this one. This colorway here. Well, I'm not using the same color as font, I'm saying colorway. The next color placement here, which is a little different. So, okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. I really do. And how valuable that is for all of us. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.